Okay, so the heads go up here and then down from there into the tube where I think there should be some particles, and then they are going to gather on the podium, and that's where they will make the boss. Hello Internet, what is going on? It's me, Off, and today in this video we are back inside of Minecraft, and today we're going to be working on a custom mob generator. The end goal of today's video is to create a generator and know how it's going to work. This, of course, will be using heads. How often do you non-command block users think about heads? Never! Because chances are 100% of you are my IRL friends who clicked on this video to oblige to me in my video making hobby. Although you should definitely prove me wrong by letting me know down in the comments that you love my videos. And, dropping a like while you're down there. Don't be shy and click that notification bell after you subscribe. If we can get to 10,000 likes, minus a few zeros, then I will make an episode 2 just as soon as the first one comes out. And that happens. Alright, trust me, that's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to upload so quickly, so soon. And that's going to be great because it's so boring to edit out all of the boring stuff. But, let's just get on with it anyways. Alright, you just saw some of the typical heads, including a zombie head on a fence, which is something I used to put in my haunted houses. And this is my own head with a very helpful skull owner tag, which I'm going to be using today over the course of the video. Now, one last note before we truly begin today's video. I have some experience with command blocks, and back in the update 1.10, I was just starting off with hopes of a new survival series based around magic amulets powered by commands. If you still want to see this, then make sure to comment down below and let me know that you'd like to. I could even spruce it up again a bit with this new custom mob generator that may even be completed next episode. And I could also add this on my server after the recess. If you're interested in my server, all the information can be found on the official website, link in the description. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, so first off, right off the bat here, we're going to have to get ourselves a little command block. So, once we get that, I did some off-camera work, and I was able to get a non-player head, aka a player head, but I just drew it. Okay, so to get this, I need to build a little command block testing zone first for today's experiments. There we go. I'll fix that up and add a quick sign. Command test zone is what I think I shall call it. Yeah. So I'll just do that really quickly. Oh, yeah. I can't place blocks. Alright, command test zone. Okay, so the first command will give me a non-player head. Alright, paste that in there. And there we go. Good to go. And as you can see, it works. It's exactly like a regular head, except they don't belong to anyone. I can put it on my head as well. So, if you're wondering, it works exactly like a regular head. And it's just really based on the code, and it's just a thing that's kept on the Mojang website. Alright, the second one is also useful because you can put it on mobs, and so that's what I'm getting to do right here. Alright, so the second one will summon a mob with my head. Alright, it works. Now, I can get rid of him, actually. Yay! Now we're twins. Okay, so how is this going to work? I will combine it here for the third command, so it should work. And as you can see, nothing happened. Alright, we don't need him. See you later. We don't talk about him. We don't talk to him. Don't you see him? Don't talk to him. He's awful. He's a failure. Alright, okay, so now for the final command, I shall use it, and I'll quickly paste that in there. Alright, it's a replace item command, and it should basically be used to replace the items on the mob's heads. And this is what I'll be using a lot. Cool, alright, so this is as far as I've gotten. So with these lessons in mind, it's time to make a boss. So I need to make myself the most epic boss, and these are the lessons I'm going to use. First off, I'll need some preparation. So, this is my first idea. I'll place down these blocks right here, and there we go. So if I set this on up, I should be able to create a summoning system for the armor stands. Perfect. Now time for the commands. 1 to summon, 1 to tag, and 1 to replace the head, which is a crucial step. Okay, test number 1 is successful. All right, perfect. So, now to remove it. I'll quickly set this command in here, put in the coordinates, perfect. All right, quickly label it. Okay, there we go. All right, the removing little thingy, and that's good. This is very passive. This is a very fast-paced video. I think I'll have some time to jump right into the invisible tagging. Perfect. There we go. This is the tagging feature. So basically, what it does is it individually tags things. Pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, alright, so now it needs to be set up, and it needs to have a tag 1 and then a teleport. But where to? Alright, now I'm going to take a quick break, and I think I'll just build this test tube. Alright, so I think I'm going to go with a modern test tube-esque theme with the middle. I don't really know. Do I want a beacon? Do I not? These are the questions that we're asking here. All right. That beacon shall do. All right. So, well, those are interesting. Okay, time for the walls. Gray glass panes are nice, but I might switch to plain. Okay, I'll quickly do the details. And there we go. This is looking nice. Really like that. Okay, now that is pretty good. I think we are done. All right, we are starting to build a small little world here. Anyways, here's the coordinates for the test tube, and I think it's a bit lower. That might look nice. But I can check the tag. I'll clear it first. Okay, there we go. And, oh. Well then, let's try that again. Here's a basic idea of the merge system. That should basically merge the blocks with the data and merge the data with the tagging block. It's kind of hard to explain, so I'll just start filling it out. Okay. All right. How to test it? It's a bit difficult. All right, let's just do that. Good. That's take 2, and for 3, let's check. All right, it works. Good. It works. That's perfect. Okay, so. Okay, now that I know this, I should just finish it up to 5, and then we'll be good to go. Okay. What? None of this is right. Yeah, none of this. What happened? None of this is working. Do I, need to reset it or something? Oof. Yeah. Maybe I'll take a break. All right, so I want a podium for the boss. I don't know if Mineplex still has them because I haven't been on there in years, but that is sort of what I'm going for. I don't know. You know those weird ones that all the different minigame things are on? Yeah, that's what I'm going for. All right, so I think it might be too big so far. I don't even know what it's going to look like yet, but I'll finish it up. Okay, I think that works. I like the smaller design, but it doesn't exactly complement the test tube. Okay, so the heads go up here, and then down from there into the tube, where I think there should be some particles, and then they are going to gather on the podium, and that's where they will make the boss. Now time for some recognition. The time you've all been waiting for. Greatness. Perfect. Okay, I will use this. And, alright, I use this helpful website, and it made everything perfectly. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Alright, now I'm going to make everything connect to the mob. I need a timer for this. Alright, so what I have here is a scoreboard-based timer. It runs based on that guy up there, and it is altering his score and removes a point, then makes him say hi on a specific point value. Finally, it resets the score to make a 5-second timer, or 100 game ticks, which is the equivalent to 5 seconds. Okay, so to activate this, I will turn this command block to always active, and let's see, does it work? Yes. Alright, now watch the chat. Now that you've seen it working, it's time to hook it up. I need to have relatively executed commands, and I'll have to make them run constantly. This means I'm going to have to Google how local coordinates work. Well, I didn't have to do that. Apparently, there's this thing called /execute as selector at s, which will do it for me, and basically executes command as and at the entity. Shocker. Now, this jumping animation here is just a teleport. The head stays there. It's the same armor stand. However, this could be a crucial detail in the future for our boss. So, I may want to use this body for the body teleporting to the heads relatively, and the facing part, which is probably local coordinates. And next episode, I'll probably make it through the design, and in the third, I might even make it to the only one command. Who knows? But one thing I do know is that this video took forever to make, and I'm exhausted. However, if you enjoyed or would like to support the channel, you can do so by smashing that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and if you hit that notification bell. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!